Hey y'all, sorry about the wind. It's probably kind of hard to hear, but I was walking out to lunch and I heard this guy calling for me. Ooh, so windy. Let's get him some goodies. Well, he followed me closer to my car. I don't know if you can hear him in the background, but he keeps making that really interesting noise. I have heard that they will make vocalizations specific to people, and so I don't know if that's like a vocalization for me or if it's something else going on, but I'll get him some peanuts. There you go, friend. Hey, friend. Thanks for following along.